In this video, I will be telling you how to reset your LG washing machine. For that, the process is very simple and easy, and in this video, I'll be telling you exactly how you guys can do it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, like the video, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into it. So in order to do that, all you need to do is to remove the washer's plug from the electrical outlet and then let it rest for like 5 to 10 minutes so the internal circuit will automatically reset once the power will be cut off for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you have to press the start and pause button off and hold for 5 seconds, reconnect the washer power cord and let go of the start pause button, and then you can start the machine by pressing the power button again. This will reset the device and remove any error messages or other problems that might be the source of malfunctioning. If the issue still exists after executing a reset, it's possible that the computer has more significant problems that needs to be fixed by a repair service. Now you know how to reset LG washing machine top loader. I hope you found this video helpful.